welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a double swirl today, and you may need sunglasses because I'm going to use some bright colors. I think the summer sun is getting to me because bright colors are usually not my go-to, but this heat I think is starting to wear me down. And I'm going towards bright colors. So here's my color palette. Ooh, I don't have my, yeah, I do have lights on. It's stormy here today, so it's kind of dark. But anyway, okay, so red, orange, teal, dark blue, and bright blue. So I'm going to go red, orange, teal, light blue and dark blue, I think. Well, maybe we should do blue. No, I don't want the blue by the orange. Okay, anyway, that's my plan. So, if I can do this right, sometimes I do my swirls backwards, and they always turn out pretty anyway. So this is a little formula cup. I will link to it in the description bar. You can find it on Amazon. Or you can find it at your local Walmart in the baby department by the bottles. Okay, so my first color in is my last color out. I always have to double do, especially when I'm talking, I have to think through it again. So my first color in is my last color out. So I want the dark color in first. Okay, and I'm going to pour right here. So I'm going to pour my colors in right there. Blue. See if that's even. It doesn't matter, but there we go. Teal. My favorite color. I'm slowly transitioning my kitchen to teal colors. I'm a cheapskate, and I buy a lot of stuff at, I don't buy a lot of stuff. We go into Big Lots a lot. Big Lots has teal kitchen accessories at the moment, which is awesome. Not much orange. I mixed a little red with some orange I had, because I like my oranges really red. Just my personal preference. Okay. Now, when I do a swirl, if you've seen my swirl videos before, I like to do swirls with just paint and water, because then you don't get cells, and I kind of like my swirls cell-free with just, I'm going to find a thing here. So that you get the swirl pattern, and you just have the swirl pattern rather than cells, but these are leftover paints, so they're mixed with Floetrol water, and they have spot-on treadmill belt lubricant. I'm going to link to this in the description bar also, but I will have a link to the pouring oil, which is exactly the same, except the pouring oil, acrylic pouring oil, that Spot On makes has another top part that is it's easier to get smaller drips of it into your paint, which I like. So I would buy it, but I have so much of this one, I don't see really the point. Although I guess I could buy it and then refill that one with this one. But anyway, but if you need new silicone, that pouring one has the extra topper, which makes it kind of nice. Okay, I'm just spreading this red because I know I don't have enough to cover this canvas, and that's fine with me. So I'm gonna have some negative space, and because of that, I'm just gonna put some red down. Sometimes I put paint down, sometimes I just put Floetrol down with swirls, but I do like to have a wet surface when I'm doing swirls. It just helps it flow better. And like I said, I really like the swirl pattern, and you don't want to tilt too much or you lose that. Okay, so double swirl. I always pour really close to the canvas. I wonder what happens when we don't pour close to the canvas. Probably nothing. Whoa. Helps if you're paying attention to what you're doing. I was looking at the canvas and not my cup. bright colors. Kind of looks like a pretty flower, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm just kind of roll with it and stretch it. And then I'll see what I want to do with my edges to make it look less like a big blob. Here comes my 3-year-old, I think. It's okay, Coop. It's okay. What do you want? You want bubble gum. My 3-year-old wants bubble gum. Okay, this looks like a really bad weather radar. The big storm. You can see I have a canvas under there. And I thought, oh, I'll just put a little canvas under there. I won't get paint on it. And now I'm not paying attention because my 3-year-old's in the room. Okay. This is becoming more wonky than I planned, but I kind of like it. So I'm going with it. I'm going to go off this corner and then I'm going to be done. What, sweet pea? Yeah, made a mess, didn't it? Yeah. Okay. My 3-year-old was about, I don't know, was an infant when I started making videos. So he was on my very first video. So every now and then I let him peek in and say hi while I'm painting. Okay, out though. Out. Out. Go on. It's okay, Toby. Okay, there we go. I think that's good. Actually, let's go. It's okay, Toby. Okay. There we go. I kind of like that. If I had gone opposite, I might try this again with these colors and just go opposite and make it like a weather radar. I live in Oklahoma. We have lots of weather radar issues. Well, not issues, but lots of storms on our weather radar. Maybe I should put it that way. So there we go. Our bright summer sun, inspiring me to do bright colors. So what colors are you kind of gravitating towards right now? Or do you gravitate towards different colors at different times? Do you have like different times when you want dark colors or fall colors? I'd love to hear because I think it's fascinating. The thought process behind the pouring is just as interesting as the pouring, I think. Okie dokie, and make sure you check out the description bar for where you can find me. I have a Facebook page, We Pour Art, that you're welcome to come and find, and a Facebook group, Fluid Art Fanatics. So lots of places we can get connected online. So we will see you next time, guys. Happy pouring!